Welcome. We're Kevin and Janine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
We are sailing the A3 today. Oh, sunburn. And it's fantastic. Got 9 to 10 knots of speed. Velocity made good is 9 also. We're doing 10 now. We're jibing along, making our way from Boan to Bali. Tuna strike the lure. I don't know if he's still on there, but they're bringing him in. He's feisty. That's a mackerel tuna. Sushi tonight. Kevin, how was bringing in that tuna this morning?
I think he was tired, so it wasn't that hard. Tired like me.
Tired like you? We woke you up right after your shift? Or you weren't sleeping yet?
I wasn't sleeping yet. No, just getting ready. Hey, we should get a hose to wash down the deck in case there's blood. So she puts it in the hose. Oh, it's not working. It's just the pump is going. So we're like, okay, let's check it out. And she goes down into the engine room. Oh my gosh, there's full of water down here. What kind of water? Oh, it's salt water. Why is there salt water in the engine room? So. And we're also shooting for a 200-mile day sailing.
We're so close!
And we're like 12 miles short, 2 hours to go.
And the wind died!
But the wind died. So we're only going 4 knots, which is not fast enough. So we'll see. Maybe the wind will come back and get us over the edge.
I don't think it will.
But long story short, I think some plastic or something probably got sucked up into the raw water, the saltwater intake for the deck washdown pump. Janine, go ahead.
Deck saltwater pump on.
Deck saltwater pump on. It's working. Why wasn't it working yesterday? Now that I'm thinking about this, is if there was a bunch of air trapped that couldn't get out, so you didn't actually purge the hose, Okay, problem solved. And then for the water, completely different issue. I think there's like a little cap for the emergency tiller, and I think that was a little bit loose. There was a little bit of water dripping from there, and we had been in some pretty decently sized water breaking over the sterns all night, and so I emptied a fair bit of water out of the enter. I'm gonna have to go back and clean that with some fresh water.
Fresh water. That's it.
Good morning.
Good morning. We'll be in Bali later today.
Yep.
It's a good passage. Really, all these little jumps, having Kai and Monica on board. It's great. Crew of 4.
Get a bit more sleep.
Yeah, it's the way to do it.
Can't tell by looking at me.
You look kind of sleepy.
You good? Wasabi? Yep.
We have whales.
First Indonesian whales that we've seen?
It is.
Oh, what's this here? Pilot whale?
I don't know, they're big. They're really big.
Should we take weight off?
Like furl a sail? Look how big they are.
Such a big, coming this way.
He is coming this way. I don't recognize that big bump. I think it might be sperm whales. I think it's dolphins. Yeah. Yeah, I just saw. Oh, cool. I think that's the biggest gecko I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Because I have them. So long back. Yeah.
It's getting narrow.
Small. But they had money for this white line.
We're gonna do a trek today, Aling Aling waterfall, and a couple others also.
You ready for a Buddhist temple, I think. Yeah. This one is a spring.
Beautiful.
are like this, but not in the river, only in the water, which is stay like this.
Okay.
Okay.
And sometimes people doing their activity like poo in the water like this. It can coming to.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay.
It's really dangerous. It's
so that's the front of it over there,
yeah,
where the ants are.
It's like a tapeworm.
Worm, yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
It almost has little like.
You want some?
No. But it has like little fibers on it almost.
So if
My
that
son's
thing
not
I
good.
went to your.
Hi, Poochie.
With him. So he's not a man. He's a woman.
Yeah, it's a woman.
Yeah, he's a woman. She
Yeah.
is a woman, and we call it Dadong Dao.
Yeah,
So-
but she's with claws.
They are stolen chicken.
Oh, they're stealing the
They're
chickens.
Stealing, yeah.
Oh.
Is she part of them, or is she?
No, she is the owner of the.
She's the owner of the chicken.
Yeah,
Ah,
but
so
this boy,
Stealing.
these three boys are stealing to sell. It was
Okay.
really old stories in Bali.
Okay.
Yeah, we have. Very
Like you can.
Pretty cool place.
Yeah. Very ornate.
Your hair's a little wild.
That's right.
A bit of rain happening today. Just hanging out with us on the boat.
Thought he had something.